Hello, thank you so much for purchasing the habit tracker. I hope you will love it. First, you have made the copy of the template, then you should go to the instruction page. Here you have all the instructions that how to use this file. Okay, let me go through the whole template. Here we are at month template. This is just for a single month if you just want to practice for a month. Here you will put the name of the habits that you want to include. Then if you want to just increase the habits, you can do that as well. Control C. And then you have to, like, for example, in exercises, for example, this is for the week, for the whole week. And you can also make it active or inactive. For example, you just want to do the exercises for 3 days, 3 days a week, so only 3 days will be counted. So you have done at the Saturday, Sunday and Monday, like this. These will not be included. And here you will see that you have the current and maximum streak for this whole week. Now we are coming to the second week. See, the current streak become 1, the maximum streak become 5, because we have come to the second week. So if we go to the second, if we have done the same thing for the second, so maximum is 5, current is 2. So like this, you can also see the here as well the progress on the Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, like this. And if I just, so this is for the weekly graphs. So when you will do the same exercises for the whole month, you will get a cake here as well. And then you have the monthly summary. And then we will go to the, these are the monthly, general monthly goals, general weekly goals, general weekly goals, like this. Now these are the yearly goals, like you will put all the yearly goals here. And then for the whole year, you have these habit tracker from Jan to December, like this is for a single month, like for example if you just want just any month, and these are for the whole year. That's it. I hope you will like it. Please share your comments in the video, under the video as well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.